Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how I record videos in circular motion without investing a huge amount on camera sliders. So this is my iPhone 7 and I record all my videos using this phone, and I have attached a Oki wide angle lens to it to get the wider videos. See how this grabs the iPhone very neatly. Now this is what that runs behind the scene, and I have attached a tripod head to this little homemade engine. This is a half circle wooden piece and the cutting was done by a carpenter, as it's not easy to cut a wooden piece in a circular way. Then here I have this microphone stand which I use for my iPhone as a tripod, and even it is way better if you want something special for your desk. It can move all around your table. And here is the main engine. The back part of this is a part of a broken toy. I did some adjustments to it to make it super slow, and the front part is made up of wood with iron bearing wheels all around to grab the track accurately, and this way it runs on the track. Here you can see how many things I added to make it work according to my need. And the tripod head is detachable, makes it a little bit easier while recording, powered with a small power bank. And now it's running. It's very difficult to see it running because the movement of this engine is super slow. That's why I speed up the video a little bit, and I place the iPhone cover for example how it works. And these are hard rubber pipes. You can get them from a hardware store. So this is a kind of jugaad and it worked for me. I also made a second version of this. We'll share that very soon. Stay tuned.